Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring power and a backup. This prevents data loss and interrupted installs. Plug the OnePlus Nord Ce 5G in if below 50%, then run a quick backup to Google Drive or local storage. Once done, connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network and turn off VPN and battery saver because downloads and installs need uninterrupted bandwidth and background CPU. Now open Settings, go to System Updates, and tap Check for updates to fetch the latest firmware. Start the download when it appears. You monitor the download and confirm space and changelog details so you know what changes and why. Make sure the file finishes downloading. A partial download can corrupt the package. Once the device shows ready to install, tap Install and follow the prompts, granting any requested permissions for the updater app. During installation, the phone will reboot. Do not unplug or force shutdown because interrupted installs can brick components. After the install completes, the device will optimize apps. Allow this to finish before interacting. You finish by confirming the new build number in Settings About Phone so you know the update applied correctly. Once the system stabilizes, check apps and sync settings. If apps behave oddly, clear app cache or perform a simple reboot to settle processes. Make sure to re-enable VPN or battery saver if desired. If the device fails to boot or shows severe errors, use recovery mode to wipe cache or apply the local rollback package. This is the key troubleshooting step to recover without losing user data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.